this is what I need for my pickles or hot coleslaw. Cabbage, onion, carrot, hot pepper. Okay, chou, oignon, carrot, piment piqué. So now I'm going to get a piece of my cabbage because I'm not gonna make too much, pickles. Get a piece of it and I wash it, and after that I'm gonna chop it. Okay, and the carrot, I'm just gonna peel it. In the carrot, put it in the bowl so I can wash it. And I'm gonna do the same for my onion. I'm gonna peel my onion like that. You see where the roots is, I start there, take it off, and then I peel. See, that's the easiest way to peel an onion. You take the roots off and then you peel, because everything is attached to the roots. And here, you take this part off, then I'm gonna wash them. And you're gonna chop your cabbage. Look very small, not too big. See, just like that. Just like that. And keep doing it. All right. Okay, this is my cabbage after I cut it. And what I do after I cut it, I wash it again. I rinse it out, because even you wash the cabbage before, but inside it may have some dirt or something. So I rinse it out again. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the onion, but the onion, you don't have to rinse the onion out again, because it's not the same like the cabbage. So I clean my board after I trim the cabbage, to avoid cross-contamination. Sometimes the cabbage have some, pests on it. It can be on your board after you chop it. So rinse it out. And before you do the onion, because the onion, you're not gonna wash it. Okay? We're gonna do the same thing, with the onion like we did with the cabbage. Okay, look at that. We're gonna go like that, very little. When you, we don't do it too big. When you get that corner, move on to the next corner. So it can be a little bit short, not too long, the pieces of onion. So keep moving it around, if you want it short, not too long. And we keep doing it like that, very nice and thin. Yep. And until we get enough, the amount you need. Okay? Sorry for the noise. Look at that. See? And we're gonna continue doing that. Okay, now after I cut my onion, I'm gonna just do like that, open them, they together, separate them. M'a séparé les oignons, ok, pour le capable venir more. Just do that. L'autre manger pour le capable pas la 3-4 à la bouche un seul coup. Separate them. After you separate them, you know, and just put it on your bowl over the cabbage. Mettez le bol là sur cabbage là. Il y a là, on va faire carotte là. OK? So, carotte là lui-même, mais qui j'aime bien faire. Je vais mettre sous bord moi non. Par contre sinon carotte là comme ça. Hein? On connaît. Si tu me retires bord là pour bord là plus bas. Et then comme ça, nous carotte plus bien. Et then on prend carotte non. Ouais. Par contre sinon ouais. Il y a des gens qui ont l'autre qualité bagay pour faire, mais moi-même j'ai ça, j'ai l'autre là tout, mais moi même j'aime ça, li léger. OK? Par contre sinon ouais bien. Ça m'a fait. Ou juste passer le tout les comme ça. Ouais. Mettez le plus près. Allez. Comme ça, passer comme ça tout, descendre comme ça. Continuez à faire, vous mettez les carottes ouvrées. Vous comprenez? Vous mettez les carottes ouvrées là-dedans. Okay, guys, something I wanna tell you, I know, especially young kid, you know. When you're doing that, you see I do it fast, but don't do it fast. If you can go like that until you finish, just do it like that, just like that until you finish. Because this thing is dangerous, okay? It can cut you. So this is very light. I got that thing when I went to LA with my daughter. We went to watch a BTS concert, and then she went with me. She bring me in a Korean store, so I see that, I buy it. I like it because it's light. It's not that big like the other one. Okay, I'm done now with my carrot. Now, what I have to do is, mix it together. You mix it together. And then, one more thing to do is your hot pepper. You're gonna just chop it, go like that, very thin, like everything else. I'm not gonna put too much. And my hot pepper was in the freezer. I froze it because I have a lot of them. I didn't want it to, to turn bad, and I wasn't gonna use it. I just put it in the freezer. Anything I'm not gonna use right now, instead of, wasting, I put it in the freezer. And then it will be fresh again when you need it. So that's how I do. You can take those things off, like, I can't remember. Okay, here we go. Yes, so I have to touch it, put it in my, cabbage and everything. And after I do that, you can put more hot pepper. So me, the way I put it, like I put it right now, I'm gonna let it sit for a while and taste it to see how is it. If I need to put more, I just put more. So the last and next thing to do, I put some vinegar, okay? Vinegar. You can put a little bit of lemon too if you want, with some vinegar. And After I put some, oh, I should put this first, but it's okay. This is my complete seasoning. You know, that complete seasoning I put in it. It has salt, it has garlic and everything. All I do is put a little bit of complete seasoning on it. I don't have to put anything else. Here we go. And then I just mix it together. Yeah. Look at that. It's gonna be nice and crunchy with my grill, my anything. And this, you can put it in a jar, put it in your fridge, because you're not gonna eat everything at the same day, you know, unless you have a party. So I'm gonna put that in a jar in my fridge, and anytime I want some, I will get some. There we go. This is our pickles. And like I said, later on, I'm gonna test it and see if I need to put more hot pepper. Here we go, friend. This is my, let me take a picture of it. Okay, this is my pickles.